Hello students, today we make how to operate vibration motor with Arduino. Now start the project. First we open Tinkercad. This is the Tinkercad code and now search the component Arduino, drag and drop here. After that we search NPN transistor. Transistor work like a switch. And also take breadboard mini. Take two breadboard for one breadboard for the transistor and one breadboard for LED and take two LED, one, two and two resistor, one and two. Now the last one we search vibration motor. Vibration. This is a vibration motor. Now transistor connect to the breadboard. I have connected to the breadboard. Again we connect. Take the motor also connect in the breadboard. Now motor also connect to the breadboard. Now positive pin of the motor connect to the 5 volt of Arduino. Yeah, connect the 5 volt and change the color of current. In the transistor there is 3 pin collector, base, emitter. In the base we have connect the resistor and resistor, second pin of resistor goes to digital pin of Arduino. Any digital pin you can connect. Any digital pin. We have connect digital pin 11. And the collector pin, this is a collector pin, connect to the negative of the motor. The second pin of the motor. Collector pin connect to the second pin of the motor. And the emitter, this is the emitter. Emitter pin connect to the GND of Arduino. Emitter pin goes to GND of Arduino. This is the GND. Now motor and NPN transistor is connected. Now connect the LED. Take two LED and change the color of LED. One LED is red, second LED is green. If the motor operates, then green LED on. If the motor not operates, then red LED on. So take resistor, put the resistor to the cathode pin of LED. You can use cathode and anode also. Okay, you can see I have using two LEDs. So one resistor I have used cathode and one resistor I have used in anode. Change the value of resistor 330 ohm, kilo ohm to convert ohm, 330 ohm. In the hardware you can also 330 ohm, otherwise 220 ohm. Now negative pin connect to the breadboard. You can also connect the negative pin here. This is also a negative pin, GND pin. And second pin also connect to the negative. This is a connect to the negative pin. I have bypass. You can see if I have connect wire here, when I will bypass the current from here to here. Now connect the positive pin. I have connected 7 pin of Arduino, 7 pin digital pin of 7 connect to the red pin of LED. Change color like this, and 6 pin of connect to the green LED. Now circuit is completed. Now we have to make a code. Click on the code section, and already you have a code. You can delete that code and go to the output block and take set pin, then go to the control block, wait 1 second. After that go to the output block and take, again we take 1 second. And motor is connected to the 11 pin. We have selected 11 pin. This is low. Now I have start, and you can see if motor operates, 1 second motor operates and 1 second motor is not operating. But LED is not operating because I have not given the code. Again we have to go to the output block and take for 2 LED pin, 2 blocks for LED. We have click here 6 pin and 7 pin. In the 6 pin we have connected green LED. When motor on, then green LED on. This block used for motor on. Here we off the 7 LED. 7 pin of LED I have off. Take another 2 block, 6 and here we 7. Here motor is off, then red LED is on. Means 7 pin high and 6 pin is low. Now start simulate. We have seen when we can delay, increase the time of delay, 2 second on and 1 second off. Okay. Green LED on, then motor on, red LED on, then motor off. Simultaneously it will operate like that. When I have on the motor, then green LED. When I off the motor, that is red LED. It's a simple code. Stop here and you can use the text code also, block plus text. You can copy this code and paste in the Arduino IDE and use the hardware. Then you can upload the code in the hardware of Arduino. You can make the connection like that, same connection. You can use a transistor. Then you can operate. Start simulate and see the output. If you have any problem, you can comment also. And if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon button. Then my next video notification you have received. Thank you all friends.